Muka wake President na ulani Rachel Ruto niwatongoesya muthenya wa Kutania Utamaduni Day nyumbani ya Bomas of Kenya kwi muthenyani wa umuthi. Ainena niwaweta kana muthenya wa Kenya ni mailite kuutumia kulilikana umowo vamwe na vinyawo wa kuyaka kuwa yumio kulyo kula kuya Kenya makwati Kithio cho undu vatonye kalivo tutukwelewe mbeange niwe honest master.
Muka wa musumbi muwandu Rachel Ruto niwatongoesya Kenya Kutania muthenya wa Utamaduni isangioni ya Bomas musini wa Ilovi.
We celebrate the Bomas of Kenya, a befitting venue for this celebration. Bomas is truly the melting pot of our cultures. Over the years, Bomas of Kenya continues to represent and showcase who we are as a people through curated dance and village experiences from different ethnic communities across Kenya.
The choice of Bomas of Kenya as the venue of the inaugural Utamaduni Day is symbolic. Bomas is a Bomas for the people of Kenya. It is a home. It is our village. Bomas is a beacon of cultural preservation. It stands as a testament to the richness of our cultural diversity.
Ainena na ekomano Bomas Rachel niwaweta kana muthenya wa Utamaduni ni ulilikana kuya Kenya kana utonyi wa nthi ya Kenya umanite na kwika maundu mayo kivathukan'yo.
Today's celebrations align perfectly with the bottom-up economic transformation agenda better, which also emphasizes the government's commitment to fostering the growth of the creative economy. The Constitution further recognizes culture as the foundation of our nation, as articulated in Article 11 of the Constitution of Kenya, which acknowledges culture as a cumulative civilization of the people of Kenya. Our culture is not just a state of being. It defines who we are and connects us to the global community. Our Maasai culture, for instance, has become a global symbol of our nation across the world. The Maa culture stands as a testament of what can be achieved in shaping a national identity and building a strong brand at a global stage.
Ingi niwongela kuweta kana muthenya uu Utamaduni ni unengete mwanya wa kulinda maundu kivathukan'yo ma nthi vala waweta kana muthenya wa Utamaduni ni unengete ene nthi vuso ya kusoma kukathia syithio ingi na kumanyithenya umwe wa Akenya.
I implore our people and especially the youth to embrace our culture wholeheartedly. I urge all of us to explore opportunities that exist and are not fully tapped into, yet present huge growth potential. Utamaduni Day presents us with an opportunity to bridge the gap between our diverse backgrounds. Each region of Kenya has cultural norms such as traditional dress, unique food, and a variety of languages, to name but just a few. Looking ahead, I envision full-scale celebrations taking place in counties across the country, where we celebrate our unique diversities and create events that draw domestic and international tourists.
Atongo yale mevikita umbanoni uni vamwe na munene wa athukumi serikali nene Felix Kosgei, minister wa ngwatanio nthi cia ilembeta ya umiloni wa sua na nthi no Penina Malonza na munyanya Moses Kuria wa uthukumi wa mwene nthi ikwatamba uneni wa muka wa musumbi Felix Kosgei niwaweta kana kuvuokwa kwa muthenya wa Utamaduni kuutethesya kukitana na ulusani va Kenya iweta kana ulusani wetetwe ni kuendeswa kwa Akenya kumanza na no muvaka wikitana na uo undu vatonyeka.
Corruption is a vice. Corruption has permeated across all the sectors, and it is not ours. Let us join hands and fight together. Let us retreat to our culture, our tradition, and bring up men and women that tomorrow and in future will be people who are just, straightforward, sticklers of the truth, and people who ensure that public property is safeguarded as has been bestowed to them.
Muthenya wa Utamaduni nula wesikie ta Moi Day wali ula watwika Huduma Day na UNS yetwa ingi ya Utamaduni Day na ila wanengwe kuma mwakani wa 2020.
It is a day for us to unite and rejoice in our ethnic diversity, traditions, languages, and customs that together create a magnificent tapestry of unity within our diversity.
On this inaugural nationwide celebration, we embrace the spirit of unity that our cultural diversity weaves, transcending time and reminding us of the strength found in our diversity.
Nilivyotia Mutongoi TV, nitaonesmas Chalo.